Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Log Cabin Homesteading. I'm here with my daughter Jaden, and we're going to be cleaning out the garage today, so stay tuned. Oh boy. Alright everybody, so this is what we're dealing with. This floor is covered in nasty, gross mud. Jaden is picking up the dirt here, and she is putting it in the bucket so that I can go dump it. I was testing some of this stuff down here to see how deteriorated it was, and as you can see, I can put a hole right through it. So I need to replace this, and I need to find out how deteriorated the sill is all the way around. So I'm gonna go and test it out and see how bad it is. If I can get away with not having to replace the entire sill all the way around, that's what I'm gonna do. If I can get away with just drying it out and then replacing this section that's deteriorated on the wall here, that's ideal. Be a lot less work, and then I can get moving on other projects. But as you can see, these studs here, all the way up until about here, is looks like it's water damage here. I'm hoping it's just wet, and that once it dries out, it'll be fine. But it's all the way down, so we'll see if I can get away with it. Again, if just drying it out, then that's the ideal situation. Otherwise, I've got a lot of work ahead of me. So in the midst of my cleaning here, I found a little friend. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Yep, there you go. Let's go on out, all right? Go ahead and hop into that bucket there, buddy. Well, come here, buddy. I got you, don't worry. All right, let's bring you outside. I know. You'd like to get down. There you go, buddy. All right. Say bye-bye, little buddy. So, halfway through cleaning, this is what we've got. You can see we've got a lot of the floor cleaned off. We've got a lot of the junk moved out. It's nice and bright and shiny in here now. I still got all that wood right there in that back corner to do, and that bench right there, I got to move that out and clean behind that and clean the drawers and everything, and then I should be pretty much done. I tested all the walls, and as you can see, I've got section down there that I punched through. I think all these boards here along this side are going to need to be replaced, as well as that door. That door is in pretty bad shape, so I'm going to replace that. So what I've decided to do is replace all the boards on this, or on all the siding on this side. And I've tested these, and it looks like they did get wet back here, but it doesn't seem to be deteriorated. It seems like I can hit this pretty hard, and I'm not able to punch through it or anything. It seems pretty solid. So as long as that keeps up all the way through to the end here, I won't worry about replacing any of the siding on this side, and the same goes for this side. I don't see any place where it's crucial that I replace the siding, except for maybe that first board, that first section of siding there. I might replace that. I think all in all I can get away with about 10 boards, 10 sheets of siding, and then I think we'll be back up to where we need to be. I'm going to continue cleaning, and then I'll show you guys after I'm finished. Alright, this is what we've got. As you can see, it is cleaned out quite a bit. Quite a difference from what it was. Got all that mud off the concrete here. Got some tools hanging up in the back. I've got a bunch of tools laying on the bricks over there. I'm going to use these pieces of plywood left behind here to make a workbench. I've got to replace the door. That door is all disgusting. A lot of this stuff back here is actually dried out quite a bit. So I think a lot of that stuff is going to be just fine. Jaden made me a bin for my scrap wood, so that's nice. She also made this beautiful sign for me for my workshop. It says Matthew's Workshop on it. So I think all in all, we're in a good position. It's a lot better than it was. So thank you guys for watching this. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video, because we're going to be doing some other stuff. We're going to be making a compost. And we're also going to be putting together our forge. That's going to be here in the near future. I'm going to be taking these bricks, setting them up, putting together our forge, and so our whole thing's going to be coming together here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. GoPro, stop recording.